You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. And if you want to learn more names, including from geography, more names of different triangles, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Scalene is how it's pronounced. It's a three-sided 2D shape. Scalene, not scalene or scalene. Scalene. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.